What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you the coolest game out there, right? You get some web-free rewards for everything you do in this game. So, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, find cool stuff like this, hopefully make some crypto during the process, but more, make a community of people getting involved in this niche. Let's get into it. So guys, here we are. It's Gamifly.co. Okay, it's going to come up with this on the main site. The links will be down below you. What you want to do is click Get Reward. It's going to ask you to sign in with any of these. Your Google ID, Facebook, or MetaMask. MetaMask, I do recommend that's your crypto wallet. Or you could just play as guest to have a look. Now, then it comes up with the main part of the site. Gamify.co/games. Links will be down below. You can log in the top right. Or you can go through all the different games and choose the one you want to play. You have the games on the side, the tournaments, the leaderboards, the Gamifly info, make a purchase, and the make a transfer. You can also invite a friend. I'm going to talk a little bit more about these right now. So guys, one of the biggest things I've got to tell you on here is, unlike other Gamify NFT games, you don't have to buy an expensive NFT, break the bank to get one. These are all free games. Right, free games. You don't need to buy these NFTs anymore. You can actually play for free, and at the same time, you will earn rewards without any investment. Though if you do want to multiply your earnings, you can buy the NFTs that are going to be launching soon. Okay, it's as simple as just clicking on a game. Look, click on memory game, and it will start to load this up for you. It will go through. It's really simple. You don't have to buy an expensive NFT. That's a massive, massive point. Now, another thing that's unlike play-to-earn games, they're not rewarding with play-to-earn token because they understand that the volatility of the play-to-earn tokens can be crazy, right? Now, instead, they will be rewarding with stable coins like USDC, USDT. These coins that are stable, they're not going to go bam, 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 and you're not going to lose all your money. You obviously could make big money. You're not going to go through the stages of sweating, anxious, because your tokens might have just gone to zero. The stable coins are called stable for a reason. Right, so you can actually just play these games and earn stable coins and not have that stress. That's huge. Okay, their onboarding process is fantastic. Okay, it's super easy. You could join the platform with just a single click. You saw me click onto this, then you can just log in. It's super, super easy. Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about the roadmap, right? So here I am on the roadmap that's in the whitelist. So 2022 Q2, the payment solutions launched, wallet integration, platform launched, initial game partnerships, and the techno, right? We went into 2020 Q3, which is what we're building up now. The initial setup of games launch, continue to build gaming and techno partnerships. Now, the asset sales coming in Q4, we're continuing to onboard games and continue to build gaming and telco partnerships. Then we go into 2023, where you can see you're getting the vertical integrated 1 to 2 gaming studios, you're getting potential governance token launch payment services and other verticals, example, e-commerce, social media, and then all the way through to 2024. That is huge that they can already plan to 2024. So guys, I can't even say much more about this. Click a game, try them out. Try every single game. My personal favorite is Tank Defender. It's super easy. You can click on tournaments and you can see here the tank battles and actually join in with the tournament. Super, super fun, right? You'll get put on the leaderboards. So if your name is there, I'm trying to look for mine. No, I'm not that good. If you get on these leaderboards, let me know in the comments. Now, if you want to make a purchase, you can do it through credit or you could do it through NFT. Just click continue and it will show you how to do that. Same with the transfer, just click deposit or click withdraw to get your money in or get your money out and then click continue. Now, if you want to invite a friend, okay, you're going to get a code. Click that copy button and send it to your friend. You will get rewarded for every single invite. Talking about their Twitter now, it's at Gamifly.co, all right? Follow, please. It's only got 377 followers, so we need to pump this up. Let them know that you're about to pump it up and you're from this channel. Give us a big shout out. George sent me. I'm going to get into this. Please only use the links down below. Give them a follow and let them know who's here and why we're here. So that's what I've got for you today, guys. Super cool. Gamify. Get on there, play all the games. Let me know in the comments which is the best one that you personally love. You know mine is Tank Defender. Now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please hit the bell if you want to be notified. And until next time, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.